Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.